And then now that you're here, napakabunot, tapat ang iyong career, achievements. Yes. How does it feel and what do you say?
It's gradually, hindi ko ako kasi
Kinikilig na lahat. Maghilang na lahat.
of course I will thank you for this so much love here, so thank you so much. I'm so glad to talk about you guys.
Mamaya may hinanda tayong surprise game para sa mga fans at syempre kay James.
But of course, don't forget to hashtag JDean Jollibee Forever, and of course, hashtag Taste Forever Love.
O, diba?
Yes.
Kaya umpisahan na natin to. Nako, may gustong sabihin doon ang OJT Master.